Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the LEXIVON brand, their 1/4 inch drive torque wrench with 72 tooth gears, dual direction, micro adjustments, 1,050 pounds range and inch pounds and 1.1 to 60.9 nanometers range. Comes in this really nice zipper case, high quality. This company provides a full 2-year warranty on the product, and this product gets excellent customer ratings. Customers love this. Has a high contrast torque scale on both sides that you can easily see, and it comes with a serial number that's traceable. The serial number is on the device, and then they have it right there, and they show that it was tested, and it comes with an instruction pamphlet letting you know how to use it. So torque wrenches are great, and they allow you to really calibrate the tightening of nuts and bolts and screws, and this will work in both directions, and plus or minus 4% clockwise and plus or minus 6% counterclockwise. So let's take a look what that all means. If you look at this, first of all, look at that cool yellow information on there, nanometers and inch pounds on there. Really easy to see. There's the micro adjustments right there. Now when you rotate this, it's very smooth. You can get to those micro adjustments so that if you want something like 10 plus the amount here, you just add it up and you're real accurate. Once you lock in or hone in what you want, you push this, once you hone in what you want, you push this out and then it locks it in place. Now when you're on the lowest setting, which is where you should keep this when you're not using it, it kind of locks this in place, and it reduces the tension on there so that you don't wear out the mechanism. So that's good to know. So when you're not using it, put it in the lowest position like that. So there's the 1/4 inch drive on there, as you can see. Really nice. It has a quick release button right there, and this head is what is going to be rocking and clicking. I'll show you. And you can see it can be dismantled for maintenance if you wanted to. There's screws there and one of these C-clamps on there. So the direction is right here. You just turn that like that, whether you want to go clockwise or counterclockwise. So here is an example. Here is a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch drive, and you know there's a lot of different sizes you could use this for, but you could also expand this out and use a different adapter on there. If you want to go 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, you could do that too. You know, if you have different bits, that's fine. So there's the direction, but let's set this and lock this in place and show you how this is done. So this is a 1/2 inch nut right here, and I have the torque set to about 9. And if I go like this and turn, listen, hear that click? So that means it's reached that torque amount. And then if I increase this, remove the lock on there and increase it and lock it back in place, now it's going to require more torque before it clicks. So that's basically what a torque wrench does. If you go to the other direction, now it's going to let you ratchet in the forward direction, and in the back direction it's going to be where the ratchet is, where it tells you the torque. So that's what torque wrenches do. They make it so that you don't over torque something, and you have the specs, and you line up the specs on there, and then you rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, and you get that click to let you know that you've reached that torque that you set. Real handy. This is great to work on bicycles. If you have a shop and you have components that you're building or maintaining, you want to keep the torque. Sometimes things loosen up. This is perfect for that. So there it is in the nice case, and I want to point out they have conversions, torque conversions on here. We have inch pounds, foot pounds, Newton meters to help you convert things. And they have conversion formulas right there. That's included, which is really nice. So I like this product. I love the graphics on here, look amazing. It's so easy to see, and this is a really nice padded holder with a really high-tech looking yellow on here. The company makes some really cool looking products. They spend the effort and the time to make them visually look great and functional excellent also. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.